Hi, welcome to Seth Studio YouTube channel. I'm going to work in charcoal and make an abstract design. So I've got my supplies, I'm ready. I'm using a vine piece of charcoal and I'm going to draw about 3 to 5 lines. This is a really great way to explore charcoal. So draw some shapes, maybe 3 to 5 shapes. Basically you're trying to block out some ideas just to get started, but things will change. Constantly turn your paper to get new ideas. So let's get started. Use the vine charcoal to darken some lines. Take your time, it might break. That's okay. You're just getting a feel for how to use charcoal and all of its supplies. So fill this in however you want. You do not have to copy this. This is just how to use the charcoal and how to make a design. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase some lines I've decided I've liked, certain things that I've done, and I'm getting some ideas. So now I'm going to go back and forth with the charcoal because I erased it and use the blending stump. So the blending stump is really kind of a lovely tool and it makes a gradation. It really smooths things out and just makes it really kind of less grainy and just prettier. So get used to using the blending stump. It does lighten it, so I have to go back in with the charcoal. I'm just trying to smooth out as much charcoal as I can before I put more charcoal on it. So I'm ready to put some more vine charcoal on it. I'm using medium charcoal at this point, and that's probably what I'm going to just use for my vine charcoal. So making my lines out, I'm going to add an extra line, and then I'm going to go back and blend. So it's a constant putting it on, erasing it, blending it, putting it on, erasing it, blending it with charcoal. I actually find it really kind of fun. It's a great exploration. So this is compressed charcoal. It's a lot more permanent, and so I'm putting this on. As you notice, it's extremely dark compared to the vine charcoal. And blend. You can also use charcoal pencils if you had that instead of the compressed charcoal. So I'm starting to make a design that I'm happy with, and I'm just moving this around. So the tissue can really wipe things out and clean things up and really smooth things out. So I'm going to really press down hard and smooth out my areas so I have a nice solid space there, and then go in with the eraser. So I'm going to tap the paper to get rid of some of the extra things on the paper, and then I'm going to use the white chalk. So the white chalk will give it its highlight. It's very strong at first, so what I want to do is smooth it out right afterwards using a tissue, and then I'm going to go back in with a highlight. So this is another way to get gradation and more values with your abstract design. So I hope you're having fun with this. This is a fun exercise to learn how to use charcoal. And then I decided, well, why not? I'm going to show you how to use the eraser. The eraser can literally just go over absolutely everything and make a line on top of it. How cool is that? So what I want to do is emphasize that. So I'm going to take the compressed charcoal and follow along. I thought it was a little harsh of a line. So now I'm going to take the blending stump and smooth it out, give it a little bit more depth to it. And then I was going to highlight it. So I'm going to take the chalk and go against it as well. So I thought that looked pretty cool. I also thought, well, after I turn the paper, I see some areas where I can add some more chalk. Thought that would look nice, and then take some compressed charcoal and really get my final darkest darks. So I hope you enjoyed doing this. What you can do now after you've blended it, when you're finished with your work, is take some hairspray and spray it. That helps fix it, and so that hopefully the charcoal will stay on the paper a lot longer. If not, frame it. But thank you so much for tuning in, liking, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Take care.